guys, here we go again. We got another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check this out. Click on the Amazon affiliate link down below. Oh boy. Here we go. What is this? Cloud lighting light. Whoa. RGB. Alright. Let's take a look inside. Just be careful where you cut. And music mode, smart app, Bluetooth, controller, USB. Well, the link will be down below. I'm not sure where this is from. This is vacuum sealed, so I'm gonna have to cut. Or do I cut? How does this work? Open. What do I do? Alright. Ah. Oh. It's like cloud. Whoa. This is super soft. Over there. All right. Give me 1 second. Go. Here's a USB. Gotta remove the twist tie. Man. Here. Here we go. Here is the remote control. Some kind of clamps. There's a USB adapter for the power. Everything's packaged, secured, so pretty good. USB adapter. And adhesion wipes. Alright. We got a hook. On a little suction cup. So you get everything. Right there. A little hook. You get 2 wipes. Remote control. Smart app. .4 gigahertz. Just gotta get these out. I'm not sure where I'm gonna set this up yet though. It might be downstairs. I just gotta clean up a little bit. Let's go. I got my other phone for the app. Remote control, pull the tab. Let me plug this in really quick. At least give that a test run. Whoa. This looks pretty cool actually. You've seen them on TikTok. People actually did like go to Home Depot, bought tons of these and put them on the ceiling. This is a lot easier to do. It's already made. And it's super soft. Oops. We'll try the remote. I'll shut the lights off in a second. That is cool. Alright. Lights are turning off right now. Whoa. That looks like a real cloud. I like the blue. That one's pretty cool. Oh. That's pretty cool multi. go. Oh, wow. That's really cool. It's like voice with movies, or that is cool. During gaming, whoa. I would say more for movies. But if you're doing a lot of streaming, this would be a good one to do. See what this one does. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hello, whoa. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. My link will be down below. Get one of these RGB cloud pillow or clouds. So, alright, be safe. Have a good weekend.